you any essay ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಅ ಕೀವರ್ಡ್. ಆ ಕೀವರ್ಡ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ, ಇಫ್ ದಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೀನಿಂಗೇ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಮ್ಮ? ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಐ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ನಮನ್, India 75 years, growth, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ, ಎವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್, ಅಚೀವ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಟುಗೆದರ್ನೆಸ್, ಟುಗೆದರ್, ಅಚೀವ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಮ್ಮ? These are the keyword. ಇದರ ಯೂಶಲಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ 50 years ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ. Okay, so these are in this essay ನಲ್ಲಿ, these are the keywords we found. Normally ಒಂದು essay ಬರಿಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಆ keyword, each paragraph you are writing, naman, if it's a big paragraph, small paragraph, whatever maybe, we should not we should use this any of this word. That will be the better also. That also. Got it, man?
Sir.
Okay, then another thing, these type of essay ಇದೆಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ, growth, evolution, 75 years, India, Karnataka. With that one, you should find a quotesman. Introduction should be, what are you going to write in a body? A summary ಇರಬೇಕು.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so a summary, how it will be like, we are going to discuss that India 75 years growth ಆಯಿತು, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ the Karnataka evolution of 50 years ಆಯಿತು, but together they made achievement also, they faced the challenge also. Okay, first normally keep in mind, after creating a body, when you brainstorm an entire body, then only we can come with the introduction.
Sir, ಅದೇ ಸರ್ brainstorm ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ತರ ಸರ್ ಅದು ಮಾಡೋದು?
That's what I'm going to say. Okay, first you should create a body. After that only we come to know, okay, these are the things I'm going to write. Then we have to make an introduction.
Okay, sir.
Got it, man?
Okay, sir. Got it.
So first same one, whenever say you have mentioned naman idರಲ್ಲಿ like infrastructure.
sir.
ಈ ವರ್ಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಇನ್ಫ್ರಾಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್, ಹೆಲ್ತ್. ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ಹೆಡ್ಡಿಂಗ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ರಿವರ್ಸ್. ವೈಲ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಹೆಡ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ರಿವರ್ಸ್. ಬಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರೀದ್ರೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೆಡ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಬರೀಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಪ್ಯಾಸೇಜ್ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸಮ್ಮರೈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ದಟ್ ಹೆಡ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ. See, can you see here, when you written this one, I mentioned on heading, can you see?
Yes, sir.
Self-sufficient na heading should be, because you mentioned that only.
Sir.
Got it? Okay.
Sir.
Whatever you have tried to say that one, it's not deviated from that one, and also you don't have issue in sentence formation issue illa. But you focused more on science and tech, electricity, HDI, and literacy. HDI only literacy you have mentioned. But HDI itself, HDI literacy you mentioned, health only about doctor ratio only you have mentioned, but also there are also wrong facts was there. Other things are HDI also you didn't discuss. Okay, so what I felt andre, you lagged with the diversity of that one. Quotes ge separate note ಮಾಡಿ. Growth andre whatever quotes you able to remember, maybe Google and search ಮಾಡಿ growth relevant. ಆ ತರ you have to topic ನಲ್ಲಿ 5 quotes ಬರಿಬೇಕು normally.
Okay, sir. I will search, sir.
That one, Kagas, Vachanas, you can use that. Sarvajana Vachanas, within 3 letters, 3 words they can use. But English, quotes are tough, because many quotes will be very longer. You can use quotes your own words also. If it is very, quotes is nothing but a paragraph is summarized, we can write. This is what I'm going to say. Summarize the quotes. Instead of subheading, we write a quotes.
Okay.
Those writing quotes, next level, maybe I think after the 14, 15, the test will make you to write. Okay, 15 they said topic will make you to write out. So just try now. So now you should brainstorm either agriculture and farmer welfare nalli yenenu growth we have found in India.
Okay.
You have mentioned self-sufficient andre because of green revolution.
Sir.
From 1951 to ನಂತರ immediately ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Agriculture ನಲ್ಲಿ whatever raw material needed in other industry, ಆ raw material be able to produce properly, sufficient produce ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ತರ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ. You can write there also here raw material.
ಇದು ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಜನರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಸರ್?
ಹೌದು ಮೇಡಮ್, that's what I'm saying. That one whatever mind ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು you just write it.
Okay,
that is a brainstorm itself open da.
Okay, sir.
Look like haphazard ತರ ಫೀಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ವೈ ಆಮ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಅದು ಇದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೆ. Brainstorm itself ಈ ತರದ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Over the period of time only you will start brainstorming in a proper way. In starting ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ when you think here we'll get one point here, let it be you write it.
Okay, sir.
ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಮ್ಮ?
Okay, sir. ಒಂದೊಂದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ವೈಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು, ಅದು ಗ್ರೋತ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸರ್ ನೀವು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ನಾನ್ ಅಲೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್.
I will tell you now, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಪರ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಇರುತ್ತಮ್ಮ.
ಹೌದಾ ಸರ್?
ಅದು sometimes we have to take stakeholder perspectives.
ಹಾ
Okay.
ಸರ್.
Someone we have to take issue based.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್. ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
Like if a question asked woman empowerment ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ.
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
What we say ಅಂದ್ರೆ woman empowerment either we can woman empowerment right ಅಂದ್ರೆ for this also we can write the entire this department also we can write each department what women are empowered. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ we bifurcate like say 5 age to 14 age, 15 age to 21 age, 21 to 30 age, what this woman needed, what they have, how they surveyed, like that also we can write. Age wise also we can go. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ professional wise we can go.
ಓಕೆ.
Homemaker ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, agriculturist will be there, entrepreneur will be there, commuter, working commuter will be there. Like